Okay, you all, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this beautiful Sunday. If you want to see how I made these beautiful festive cookies using the Pillsbury cookie hack, y'all know that's been going on, and I've been doing it for Christmas, and I think I even did it for Halloween. So now it's time for Easter. So you all, if you want to see how I did these little cute cookies, stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started, y'all. Know that Pillsbury hack. So she's got her Pillsbury. This is Nestle. So I got the Nestle cookie. I like these because they have the little Easter egg, little Easter eggs included. Y'all see that? Egg sprinkles. And then we have the bunny and the Easter egg, as y'all can see right there. And of course you got the sugar cookie. I just got a smaller one this time. You cut that, you put those, you'll see how I'm gonna do it. We got some cute little bunny sprinkles we're gonna add on some of these. Y'all got these from Walmart. Why is the container so cute? And even after I'm done, she's not getting rid of it. I will put the link to the video down below where I saw this young lady. She made her own chocolate chip cookies with Easter sprinkles in it. And y'all, at the end, she added these on top. But it wasn't this, it was another brand. But I was at World Market and I saw this and I said, oh my gosh, that's gonna look so cute. And once you take the cookies out, you add this on top when the cookie's still hot. It keeps its shape, but it melts into the cookie, y'all. It like blends in with the cookie. So we're gonna see how that works, okay? But it's the cutest idea, all right? And these are the little minis by that brand. And these chocolates are from Poland. Let me tell you what you need. You're gonna need your cookie sheet. After you're done with the cookies, you're gonna need your big pretty plate. I found this, you guys, at Home Goods last week for $4. So you're gonna need your cookie plate. And yeah, and there you go. So you all stay tuned. This is fun, easy, quick, and wonderful to do with the grandkids, your kids and your grandbabies, okay? So you all stay tuned and I'll show you how to do that. All right, you all, so we are done. These are the cookies. So I'm gonna go over them really slow. This is beautiful and it was so much fun. And I want to pick up a few of them, let you know. A little chocolate on my hands, but it's okay. You want to let them sit because the chocolate is still warm, but let's bring this up closer. There we go, y'all. See? It's so pretty. So let the chocolate sit and they're going to harden up and just enjoy that, you guys. So I did some where it's the regular chiclets, as you can see there, the little chiclets. Let me hold one up for you. The little regular chiclet. There we go. The regular chiclets. There we go. God, you are so good. There we go. And then we have the bunnies. You see that? Yay! And then over here, same thing. All right, you all, so thank you so much. This is a very fun hack. I saw this first during Christmas, you all, and I tell you, I've enjoyed it every single time I do it. And when Joshua takes these cookies to his crew at work, they absolutely love them, all the co-workers. Okay, this is fun to do for Easter parties, fun to do with the grandkids, the kids, or even if you're just having a spring get together. It's just so much fun. These are the cookies, the bunny. There we go. I'm gonna zoom in. There we go with the bunny. And then we have the chiclet. And I also just did the regular sugar cookie log, as you can see with some of these here. All right, and remember I showed you earlier, I've already used them all, where I got the chocolate. Let me show you up close what this cookie looks like. All right, so that is the chocolate one. So adorable. This is the Easter bunny one, as y'all can see. And then we have the regular chiclet. Let me show y'all the chiclet. And that is the regular little chiclet. And then I did some where there was the cookie. Remember, Pillsbury had their own little cookie mix. So that was with the Pillsbury. So cute, and it had the little eggs on there. All right, you all, so thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you. You all can come and check me out and see what I am doing. You all, look at that. They are so pretty. I did that little brighten up there a little bit more for y'all. All right, so you all make sure you go check these out. You can get these from Target or your local grocery store. All right, have a blessed week to come. I pray everything is well in your neck of the woods, and you all be blessed. And remember, always trust God, keep him first, and he'll always lead you in the right direction. Sorry for the lighting, y'all. My camera is really acting up. All right, but you get the drift. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.